Well, hello there, thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony and we're back into Mexico. Look who I brought. She's with us now. Come on around here, we get us a nice background picture of this pretty Mexico thing. So we're here at Nuevo Progreso. We're just outside the RV park. About, I think it's 15 miles is all it is. Pardon me. So we're gonna go inside here and check it out and take you along with us on our adventures. Because we're just out here living Mexico edition. We're going through one of the shops. If I get off the main road, the main road's got a lot of people asking Farmacia, or you need your hair done. Barber, clippers, get your nails done. Lots of people. They're a little pushy, but they're not too bad. They don't really get in your face, but they definitely want to talk to you. My wife is around here somewhere. We're actually upstairs near Pancho's is where we're at. I've actually hadn't been up here. They do have a lot of stuff. A whole lot of stuff, as you can see. Some really cool stuff. Nice. Oh, so we are downtown Nuevo Progreso with the roll of the otters. I just did this, but I didn't have the video turned on. I just got my new haircut. Ah, nice and smoothie. But this is downtown here. I'm looking for the guys that are playing music. There was a little more than a mariachi band. We're down here last time I was here, which was about 2 weeks ago. But I don't see him now. There's a lot of alcohol here. Hey, I know her. Where's she going? Oh, yeah, Cohiba's. Straight from Cuba. Think about getting that one. $12, $13. So now we're looking for the place that we like to go eat at Pancho's. It's on down this way. More down here. Across the block and a few more stores. Lots of things to buy and see though. Oh, look there. Knockoff Ray-Bans. $10. Not knockoff Ray-Bans, hers. But well, that was fun. That's a trip to Nuevo Progreso. Said it right again. But so now we're gonna go in through this other gate up here, and but which they won't let me record. So let's record as we get right up to it. But you need either one line for passports and the other line is for driver's license, because you do not need a passport. Beggars. You do not need a passport to get over here. All you need is a driver's license. Think about that. If you're coming over this area here and you're thinking about, oh, I gotta spend so much money for a passport. Don't need it. Sure don't. All you need is a driver's license. Valid driver's license. Must be valid though, from any state. They'll let you in over here. But anyway, we're gonna get across this bridge here. Yeah, that way. And if you have any questions about going to Mexico, if you're down here in South Texas, send me a message and I'll see if I can getting you an answer to any questions that you have.
In English.
In English. Yeah, not in Espanol. But anyway, we'll let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe because we're out here living
The Coolest Life.
Mexico edition.